Good morning, everybody. I'm Brian Iverson with MyCityLender Home Loans, here as always with Shane Sauer from Greystone Title, and this is your weekly Housing Fast Break. We'll get to the mortgage rates and housing update from Shane in just a moment, but first, do you know where I'm standing right now? I'm on stop 2 of our National Parks tour. If you know where I'm at, hit us up with a comment down below. Not just the general location, but the exact place that I'm at right now. Okay, that's it. Let's get to the news. Good morning, Shane.
Well, thank you, Brian, and good morning, everybody. I'm not coming to you too remotely, but I did flash a little picture of just outside Portland back in March. It makes me think I'm somewhere that I'm not, but I'm actually in Chandler, Arizona. So anyways, real quick, got a few things to go over this morning. Want to talk about this. Our 90-day average list price in Maricopa County has been in decline now since mid-April. These are, again, indicators of a great time for buyers to get in the market. We're seeing price decrease percentage. That stayed the same as last week. It's about 50%. It rose little fractions, but not enough to move it up to 51. But I expect by next week, we probably are going to see that, probably hit 51%. And our market action index there is sitting at 42, which is 30 is your balanced market. 42 is still showing a slight seller's advantage. Lastly, our inventory gain this past week was up, but not as significant as it has been. It's just incremental this past week. So again, with prices down, inventory still up, great time for buyers. Brian, hopefully interest rates are contributing. What are you seeing out there?
Thank you, Shane. As of this morning, the average 30-year mortgage rate is 7.07%, slightly higher than it was a week ago. The most eagerly anticipated data last week was the PCE price index for May. This is a similar measure of inflation to the consumer price index that came out 2 weeks ago. Core PCE was even more favorable for the inflation outlook. The 10-year Treasury finished the week up at 4.398. That's a little bit higher than the week prior. Notable events this week include Chairman Powell's comments today, and Friday we get the unemployment data and non-farm payroll report. That's it for this week's weekly Housing Fast Break. We'll see you right back here next week. And don't forget, if you know where I'm at, hit us up with a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Take care.